and Big Papa, you know it. I'm in the kitchen and today I've been doing brown stew pork and I'm adding Irish potato and carrot to my pork. So before going further, I want to say tonight a big thank you and enough respect to my biggest supporter out there. Got this made and sent to me. This was custom made, as you can see. It's Big Papa Jamaican Version, and I would just like to say thank you for getting me this apron. Well, but that supporter knew I needed it, so once again I would like to say thank you. So guys, next time you'll see me, I'll be going through the process of making my brown stew pork. I did pork before,